What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Lloyds Bank's online banking account. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, ask us in the comment and let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step, search for Lloyds Bank login and click on where it says log on to internet banking Lloyds Bank, and it will take you to this website. Over here, enter your user ID and then enter the password of your account over here just like this. Click on continue and you should be able to log in into your Lloyds online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody.